Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to categorize expenses in QuickBooks. If you're recording expenses in QuickBooks but not categorizing them properly, your reports become useless and you won't really know where your money is going. Categorizing expenses is what turns raw transactions into meaningful financial insights. Start by opening QuickBooks and logging into your account. At the top left corner, click on Create. Then select Expense. This opens the expense entry for. First, enter the payee, that's who you paid. This tells you where your money is going. Then, choose the account you used to pay. This helps keep your accounts accurate. Add the date the expense occurred. This helps keep your financial timeline accurate. After that, select how you paid, either cash, check, or credit card. Then enter a reference number. This could be a receipt number or a transaction ID. Scroll to the Category Details section. First, choose a category from the drop-down. If none fits, you can create a new one. This is the most important step. Categories organize your expenses and they show where your money is going. Write a short description of the expense. This helps you remember what the expense was for. After that, enter the cost of the expense. You can repeat the same step just by adding the category, description, and amount. You can also add supporting details such as a note about the expense or even upload a file as proof of the expense. This matters to keep your records organized and is useful for audits or reimbursements. Once everything is complete, click Save and Close. Using QuickBooks properly helps you understand your spending and make better financial decisions. To summarize, categorizing expenses in QuickBooks involves creating an expense entry, filling in payment details, selecting or creating categories, adding descriptions and amounts, and saving the record. This ensures your financial data is organized and meaningful. And that's how to categorize expenses in QuickBooks. This might feel like a small task, but it's one of the most powerful habits you can build for managing your money. When your expenses are organized, your reports actually mean something, and that's how you make smarter decisions. Don't wait until the end of the month. Start categorizing as you go, even if it's just a few transactions a day. That's how you stay in control instead of playing catch-up. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.